how to delete Google Business Profile from Google. Simply make sure you're logged into your main Google account. Then, first, look at linked accounts. If you have linked some other Google products, then you want to unlink them. Then, simply select your business you'd like to delete or remove. And on the right-hand side, you have actions. Select Remove Business. Read through what will be removed and then press on Remove. At this moment, you can see here some business information such as name, address, and others will still appear on Google Maps search and elsewhere on Google. Any Google Business Profile content, such as posts, photos, videos, and whatever else you've added, that you published for the business will be deleted. As you can see, there is a bit of a dilemma there, right? Because even if you select the option to remove your business, Google is saying to you, we may still show your business name and address. Usually what they do is they just show the business name or address and then say it's permanently closed. So, let me press on Rank Your Profile here, just to show you what's going on. As you can see, I don't have a physical address for my business because I'm online based. I serve valued clients throughout the world. And yet, this is my service location and I don't have a physical address. What that means is there are many different ways to set up Google Business Profiles, such as mobile businesses or physical businesses. For that reason, even if you follow the removal process I've just shown to you, once you do that, and once you see Google updating your removal request, then you should go to Google Maps, search for your business name, and then suggest an edit, select place is closed or not here, select the reason, because it could be different, and then press submit. Here it says helpful photos and so on. That's no problem. Perhaps, in front of the business, if you have some sign saying permanently closed or whatever, you can upload some photos. When you follow this option, you're doing so as a public. That means, my wife could do this too, or my brother or my friends could do this. This option is to keep Google Maps clean, if that makes sense. That's why it's smart to follow this option as well. Because as Google says to you, you know what, we may still show some results. And your job is to guide Google search engine to remove as much details as it may linger, if that makes sense.